Welcome to our vlog. Today menu is cooking tinola. Gigisa natin bawang muna. Bawang. And then after onion become golden color, you put the onion and mix together with onion and garlic. And then after that, guys, you can put the ginger. This is the third one, guys. After that, guys, you can put the chicken. And guys, make sure that you can cook well. English yun. Igisa mo muna para maluto ang ano. Nasa na nga tayo balunan? I know how to speak English now, even speak Chinese. Ay, yeah. Alam ko. Guys, pinapanawagan namin ang cellphone niya, guys. Papulahin muna natin, guys. And then put the pepper. This is called pepper, not piment. Pepper and the salt. Where's the salt? Guys, make sure that you will use iodized salt. Iodized salt is good for the body. Mama, yan po na siya po.
Barangay talaga to.
Ayan, ito ay pang barangay. And then, mamaya natin.
Ay, lagyan na kuha. No cube.
No cubes. Where is the no cube? Magic sarap na. We don't have no cubes. So, instead of no cubes, we will put the betchin or magic sarap. And what papaya called tropical fruit. In English, tropical fruit. Ayan, guys. And mix together. And add more water, guys. Paminta, guys, ulit. Nalagyan mo na ng nor. Guys, hanggang maluto. Hola. Pakuluin natin to. Habang pinapakulo namin, guys, magluluto kami. We can put the last. Ayan, guys, we can put the chili. Mix together. And then let it boil again for 10 minutes. And then done. We can eat together for lunch. Hey! Luto na. Matawag ng mga bata. Ayan tayo natin na Teya.
Guys, luto na. Thank you for watching. God bless.